Two people get the same pay raise. One buys freedom, the other buys a nicer cage. That is the salary trap. Most people think money works like this: a higher paycheck, a better life, less stress. But for millions of people, the exact opposite happens. The raise comes in. Then the apartment gets upgraded. The car payment appears. The subscriptions multiply. Dinner gets more expensive. Vacations get harder to say no to. And suddenly, that higher salary isn't making life safer. It is making life heavier. Because salary is not wealth. Salary is motion. Wealth is distance. Salary is what passes through your hands. Wealth is what stays after the noise is gone. Imagine two workers. One earns $60,000 a year, lives below their means, builds savings, owns boring index funds, has 6 months of breathing room. The other earns $140,000. But every raise gets swallowed by a faster car, nicer rent, and monthly payments that now need that big salary to survive. Who looks stronger? Probably the second one. Who is actually stronger? The first. Because the first person can survive a shock. The second person can only maintain an image. That is the lie your salary tells you. It tells you that earning more means you are winning. Sometimes it just means your lifestyle got better at consuming you. A high income can hide a weak financial position, just as expensive clothes can hide panic. And this is why some people with average salaries quietly get rich, while some high earners stay one missed paycheck away from chaos. The goal was never a paycheck that looked impressive. The goal was to build a gap between what you earn and what you need. That gap becomes savings. Savings become investments. Investments become options. And options become freedom. So the next time your income rises, ask one question: did my raise buy me more life, or just more bills dressed up as success? Because if your lifestyle rises faster than your assets, your salary is not making you rich. It is just making your trap more comfortable.